Guys, nasi isigaxa. Yo. Yo. The political task team have arrested someone. Guess who and from which family? Yo, noyika noyikhwaza. Yo. Andini nisologa nsithi, yeah, uJulius Malema is guilty. Hey. Yo, let's read. So it says that Simpiwe Zuma, who's an MK member and a nephew of Jacob Zuma, has been arrested by the task team investigating political killings in KZN. MK has been vocal about the 120 dockets, but they are silent on this issue. They don't welcome the arrest because it hits at home. Yo. Iti, the nephew of President Jacob Zuma, has launched a land claim getting more than 60 farms in Impendo in KwaZulu-Natal, Midlands. I think Lena ifuna a YouTube channel. Lena ifuna i-video ende, guys. All I can say bana ndigalele namanzi ndingaboli bethunana, because ndigalele namanzi ndingaboli. Yo. Hey. Commanders. Oh, kanana nisezo commanders, come, let's gather here. Let's gather here in the comment section. Yebethunana. Yo.